Good evening, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's Chanadol here. So I'm doing kind of like a little home vlog, or more specifically a cooking vlog, because I didn't really do anything exciting this weekend and I was in the mood to make some corned beef with rice and cabbage. In Jamaica, of course, we call it bully beef, and it's a really simple meal but delicious. So I already have all my ingredients here. So red pepper, green pepper, I got some thyme, some cabbage, the corned beef in the can, some seasoning, some garlic. Hopefully they come out really good. Haven't made any home meals in a while. It looks like I'm always going out to eat at restaurants, but you know, sometimes it's good to just make stuff at home. Plus it saves money. So we'll see how it comes out. You know, I want to give you a hack that's actual helps me out. When you're opening the corned beef can, you know the little key that they put on the bottom? It's always good to put it upside down, because then when you do this, it's easier to turn, because then sometimes, you know, the key breaks and then you have to get a fork and then take the corned beef out. So this actually helps me. So maybe it might help you guys if you're ever opening any canned stuff, especially corned beef. Makes things a lot easier. And see? Okay, so we're gonna be trying this seasoning, the Booyah Jamaican seasoning, and I already added the thyme and the garlic with the corned beef, and then the other section is the green and red peppers and the cabbage. So okay guys, so I want to show you the finished product. So this is the rice, the cabbage, and the corned beef. Yeah, you can see the steam coming off from my plate. So let's do a taste test and see how this come out. It's really hot. Oh yeah, that is so good. Like I said, it's a very simple meal. It only took like about 30 minutes to make. It wasn't long, but it's delicious. Oh. So good. So let me know in the comments below, do you like corned beef and cabbage and rice? Have you ever made it before? I would like to hear your thoughts. So I know it's a really short video, but I want to do something a little different. And like I said, I haven't made a cooking video in a long time. You usually always see me doing food reviews at restaurants and things. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you next adventure. Bye.